Do you want to go viral just to get high on the likes? Do you want more people to comment below your post? Do you want more people to just view your post? The purpose of you going viral through Instagram is to inspire people with your messages, is to entertain people also, and to also. Are reels the only way to go viral? Now, the question is, why do you want to go viral? Do you want to go viral just to get high on the likes? Do you want more people to comment below your post? Do you want more people to just view your post and you feel good so that you come back and you do more and more and more? What is the purpose? Are you searching for fame or are you just going there to spread your message to the world? Now, the question is, before you can even think about going viral, I want you to analyze yourself and see deep down on why you want to go viral. Okay. There are many influencers today who have a lot of viral content but who are puppets to their audience, where they have to post something every day just because they did it some time back, and it becomes an addiction for them and they do not know how to get out of it by just posting more content. So the question is, before you get into this game of virality, understand why you want to do this, because it's not about how many likes you get, it's how many lives that you can change. If the purpose of you going viral through Instagram is to inspire people with your messages, is to entertain people also, and to also make the world a better place, if there's a strong intention behind it, then there is a good cause that you can connect with virality. And that's what I would like to share as a context setting to this particular podcast. Okay. Now, first, I'm going to talk about different content formats. You can go viral in so many different ways. Reels are not the only way to go viral. You can do video formats. Definitely, Reels would fall under video formats. There's audio. You can even go viral on podcasts. And you can also go viral on images. Like there are many images, graphics, memes, GIFs that go viral if it can strike an emotional chord. And towards the end of this podcast, I'm going to share with you the four factors of virality. What does it take for a content piece to go viral? Even though there's science behind it, but not everyone gets it right. Okay, not everybody can make everything go viral. That's something that has to happen for a piece of content to go viral, and we'll decode that towards the end. So let's break it down and go deep into the content formats. The first format is video, and under video, I want to break it into four types of videos. The first form of video is what we are talking about is reels. Anything less than 1 minute, 2 minutes, which is fast, easy to consume, and for a reel to go viral, it has to be super engaging. Meaning, you have to change the frame every 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, it has to strike an emotional chord. You need to break attention because people are endlessly scrolling, and if you can't get their attention within 2 or 3 seconds, they're gone. So the first 2 seconds of a reel is so important, and that's one of the important things. If you want something to go viral, is the first 2 3 seconds. You got to really plan it and think about what is that you want to share as a message to grab people's attention, break their attention from what they're already doing. The second form of a video is a long form video. YouTube, anything which is 10 15 minutes. But even in these videos, the first 1 minute is very important. How are you able to grab their attention within 1 minute so that they continue watching the video? It's all about the intro. For a 1 minute reel, it's those 2 seconds. For a 10-minute video on YouTube, it is the first 1 minute. And then we have streaming videos. A lot of streams also go viral. I'm talking about streaming on Facebook, streaming on YouTube, Facebook Live. And again, the topic of the stream, the kind of engagement that you can do, the kind of participation you can have. Like I've done Facebook Lives where I've had hundreds of people in the Facebook Live, and I've made them share that live with somebody on their wall with their lessons and learnings with a hashtag so that I can give away some gifts and goodies to people who share them. And I've made some of my live Facebook Live go viral. Okay, viral, like it has reached to many thousands of people within a very short span of time because of adding an element of contest into it. So live streams can also go viral. And of course, webinars. uh, I have a webinar that is running 24 by 7, which is being shared by many people, and close to 500,000 people have seen a webinar of mine, which has resulted in a lot of sales. So when it comes to video, there are four formats: short videos, long form videos, streaming videos, and webinars. And all of these can go viral depending on how you're able to connect with an audience and how you're able to deliver the impact within a very short span of time. The second kind of a format that can go viral is the audio format, specifically podcasts. There are many podcast uh, directories out there, like you have Spotify, you have Apple, And if you go and look at the charts, what I like to do is I like to go and look at charts on Apple and Spotify and see which podcasts are being downloaded maximum. So if you go to Apple charts on any topic, let's say on the business category, you go and search, and you know which are the top downloaded podcasts, it'll give you a perspective of what topics are trending, what topics are going viral, and what is really connecting a chord with the market, with the masses, and what are they aspiring to go towards. So it'll give you a perspective on what you can create if you're going to be doing a podcast. Okay, it's a super hack. Now, the third kind of a content type that can go viral are graphic. So when it comes to graphic, there are GIFs. You can do images. You can do infographics. You can do memes. A lot of memes go viral, which is really funny. And even if you see, on Twitter, Elon Musk and some of these top uh, Twitter accounts over there, they use a lot of fun stuff to also make things go viral. And of course, once you have developed a style of how you're going to be posting, people look forward to more of it, and that's what makes things go viral. So let me now break it down, that now that you've understood, there's many types of videos that can go viral, there's a podcast that can go viral, even images can go viral. Now I want to like share with you what are the four components of virality. What does it take for a piece of content to go viral? And I'm just going to give you a disclaimer that even though we know that these are the four components, you'll never know until you post something, and you'll never know whether that piece of content is really going to work or not. Okay, based on how the market is responding to it. So the first component for something to go viral is emotion. Does it strike an emotion with the other person? The emotion could be anything. It could be a happy emotion, it could be an anger emotion, it could be desire, it could be fear, it could be, there are 27 buying triggers that are there, which I did a research on in my book You Can Coach. You can go check it out. I have actually listed down 27 triggers that make people buy. Okay, or the 27 emotions that we go through that triggers us to do things. So even if you look at content going viral, there are the main emotions are fear and desire. Okay, as humans, is the main emotions. And if you can trigger those emotions through your content, where the other person watching is able to connect with it instantly within a few seconds, that becomes a share worthy thing. Okay, now the second component of taking things viral is whether it's trending. So if there's a particular topic that's hot in the news right now, that's hot on Google Trends, and the entire world is talking about it, you can use that as a way to take things viral, because already people are in tune with that particular topic. So trending topics is the second component. The third component of taking things viral is triggers. Now emotions, there are many types of emotions: happy, sad, angry, fear, desire, all of this. But triggers are something which is more, which really affects somebody. Let's say, you know there's something that happened in the education system, and some school, something happened which affected all the kids in that school. Now, if you talk about that, it's already a triggered emotion in the masses. Now, people already are talking about it. Now, imagine if you create an awesome piece of content addressing that particular topic. Now, that could become a trigger. You're riding on a trigger. So, it's slightly different from a trend, but this is more of a very strong emotion, what people stand for: religion, politics. If you look at all the political tweets that happen and that go viral, are all based on these triggers. Even all these Bollywood stars and all the paparazzi stuff that happen is they share something viral, and triggers an emotion. It comes into mainstream news. Okay, maybe that Bollywood star or the Hollywood star did not do anything. They were just being normal, but then the media changes into something totally different, and that triggers an emotion and that goes viral. That's how virality happens. So the third component of virality is triggers, and the fourth component of virality is something that is funny, something that brings up a smile, even though it's an emotion. But if you look at many of these YouTube channels, many of these Instagram channels, which are having random stuff, not educational channels, but it's entertainment channels, there's an element of fun over there, where you do not know what's going to happen next. There are channels like Vlad and Nikki, and there are Guava Juice, Chad Wildclay, all of the young generation. I'm talking about Gen Z and later after Gen Z, those who are less than 10 years old. The kids are watching these YouTube channels with so many viral videos, and what uh, keeps them hooked is the fun element, the curiosity element. And I want you to go to YouTube and observe these viral videos. When you observe these videos, every 2 seconds the frame will change. You're watching a scene for 2 seconds and then it'll change and it'll change. And there's a lot of background music, and it really stimulates all the senses with all kinds of colors, especially the kids' channels where they're catering to kids like Vlad and Nikki. They wear all colorful t shirts, they have so many different colorful things. And every 2 to 3 seconds max is the frame of every video. Go and observe this later, and you'll be amazed with what I'm telling you right now. That is how they hold attention. But if you look at the education based channels, like if you go to my YouTube channel, go to Success Gyan YouTube channel, go and watch all of our speakers channel, we speak for a long time. So we may speak for 10 to 15 seconds, and then there's a cut, there's a next frame, or there's a zoom in, there's a zoom out, there's some kind of you know textual thing that comes up on the screen. So it's a slightly different form of editing for an education based channel versus an entertainment based channel. So back to the original question, are reels the only way to go viral? There are so many ways you can go viral. There are so many aspects of virality. But I want to bring it back to the main point. Why do you want to go viral? Don't chase after fame. Okay. Chase after value. Chase after giving value. How you can give more value to people, and let virality be the byproduct. If it has to happen, let it happen. If it does not happen, that's perfectly fine. You're going to continue adding value, and that you're going to be building it up. Because there are many people I know in the online space. One video goes viral, one TikTok reel, or one TikTok video goes viral. Of course, TikTok is not there in India right now, but during that time, there were some influencers who went suddenly attracted hundreds and thousands of followers, and then they tanked after that because they were not able to continue on that same consistency. So we do not want any kind of one hit wonders, as they call in the music industry, right? You There are many artists in the music industry also, where they create one song, that song becomes a big hit. After that, that artist is forgotten. Okay, the song still remains, but the artist does not have anything else to give after that. So we do not want one hit wonders in this space, but you'd like something to build consistently over a period of time, so that you can use virality to build a brand for yourself, and how you can use your brand to influence people to move in the right direction in the positive way. So I hope I've given you like a very different perspective to the game of going viral. There's more to this, but I just want to share with you that this is what it takes. I would like you to go back to the drawing board, think about why you want to go viral, think about which formats you want to start off with, think about whether you're using emotion, trends, triggers, and whether you're being funny, if that's relevant to your topic or not, and then get going. Keep doing more. You'll never know. By the time you do your 100th video, maybe the 101st video will go viral. So don't stop. Keep going. Wish you all the best. Catch you in the next episode.